Namaste, I'm Sunmeet and today we'll be discussing all about oily skin. So what is oily skin? Oily skin is a result of excess oil production in your sebaceous glands which are right under your skin. So whenever there is excess oil production, it leads to excess greasiness and shine in your skin, which is like oily skin. And how can you find that out? You take a blotting paper, you put it all over the face. If there is oil that comes on the paper all over the face, then you have oily skin. What are the reasons for oily skins? The first is genetics. So if your parents have oily skin and if you're following a similar lifestyle, similar diet to your parents, then you would also have oily skin. It could also be the place you stay. If it is very hot and humid, then you have a tendency to get oily skin. It could be the time of the year. If it is summers or monsoons, you could have more oil production on your face. It could be the products you use on the face. If you're using incorrect products which are not suited to your skin type, then it could result in oily skin. It could also be excess overdoing of skincare routine. So cleansing, toning and moisturizing is what is required for maintaining that perfect glow on the skin. But if you overdo it, if you do it a few times a day, you're supposed to do it once or maximum twice. If you do it more than that, then that could also lead to oily skin. So what are the foods that lead to oily skin? It could be white sugar, it could be alcohol, it could be dairy, it could be processed food, it could be junk food, refined salt, refined flour. So any of these white poisons or any of the junk food, processed food, if you are overdoing on it, that could lead to oily skin. So the first thing to do is to control your diet, be mindful of what you're eating, switch more to natural foods, salads, fruits, and incorporate more of raw foods and light foods in your diet. That's the first step. Then there are a lot of natural remedies which we can follow to control oily skin. The first is use of blotting paper. Keep blotting paper with you in your purse, and whenever you feel there is excess oil on your face, just blot it out with that paper. The other is to wash your face often. You can do that with a gentle sulfate-free face wash, or you can also do it with scrubs and upturns and face packs if you want to go soap-free on your face, which is what I always recommend. In terms of face pack, you can use oatmeal and tomato juice. That is a good combination for use on oily skin. Multani mitti is another method to control oily skin. Green clay is another clay which is very good for oily skin. So any of the clays that appeal to you, that are good for your face or your skin type, you use those and add some honey to it, add some lemon juice to it, rose water, aloe vera gel, make a paste and use that on your face, and as the clay dries, it absorbs the excess oil from your face into the clay. So that is a good way of controlling your oily skin excess oil. You can also grind some almonds and add some aloe vera to it and use that pack on your face to scrub off the excess dead skin from your face and remove the excess oil from the face. So these are some of the natural methods. Do try them out and see which one goes best for your skin, and that is the best remedy for you. So that's it from me for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.